Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the exact parts and prioritizing safety. Use a single 3.7V Li-ion cell with a TP4056 charger module. It simplifies charging and protection. Once done, mount the TP4056 on a small protoboard and solder the battery tabs firmly to B+ and B. Make sure polarity is correct. You'll add a 10K resistor and a buzzer or LED later to indicate continuity. Move deliberately. Shorts on the battery are the main hazard. Next, you build the detection circuit so it senses low resistance and drives an indicator. Wire the probes through a series resistor to limit current. Choose value to balance sensitivity and safety, typically 1,000 to 10,000 ohms. Use an NPN transistor as a switch. Probe signal into base via resistor, collector to buzzer, or LED, emitter to ground. Once wired, add a pull-down resistor on the probe input and a small capacitor to prevent chatter, making the tester stable and responsive. Finish by installing the assembly into an enclosure with access to the micro USB on the TP4056 for charging. Once enclosed, charge the cell fully and test against a known short and an open circuit. Adjust the series resistor if the buzzer triggers too easily or not at all. Make sure probes are secure and wires insulated. If it fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Verify battery voltage and TP4056 wiring first, then check transistor orientation and solder joints. Those are the most common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.